Here's another option for some exercises you can do at your desk. Let's start by backing away from the computer and stretch our forearms. So grab your hand just below your fingers, pull a nice stretch up, and grab your hand just above your fingers, nice stretch back. Do this on both wrists. Next thing you're going to do is do some shoulder range of motion. So thumb up, bring your shoulder all the way up, straight up past your ear, rotate that shoulder around and bring those right next to your hip. And you can come back the other way. Do these several times, again on both sides. Next thing, let's go ahead and warm up the legs. You can use your chair if you want to tap. We're just going to do some squats, down and up, shoulders under, feet under the shoulders, knees wide. Do 5 to 10 of those. And last thing, if you have some floor space, we'll just sit into a nice child's pose for about 30 seconds.